All English Podcast.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to All English Podcast. I'm Sara, and today we're talking about one of the most common and sometimes scary English questions. Tell me about yourself.
Oh, that question. I hate it. Every time someone asks me, I freeze. I'm like, I'm a human?
Yes, that's the classic reaction. But here's the thing. This question is super important. It's not just for job interviews. It's for making friends, meeting new people, and building confidence in English.
So basically, we need to master it once and then we can use it everywhere.
Exactly. So today, we'll learn how to introduce ourselves naturally without sounding like a robot. We'll also hear a few good and bad examples.
Okay, but why is it so hard? It's just talking about yourself, right?
Good question. Most learners try to make it perfect or too formal. They think it has to sound like a school essay, but real communication is about being authentic, not perfect.
So instead of my name is Emre. I am 25 years old. I live in Istanbul. We need something more natural?
Exactly. That sounds like reading from a paper. Let's make it sound more like real life.
Okay, let me try the classic version. My name is Emre. I am 25 years old. I live in Istanbul. I am an engineer. My hobbies are reading and football.
That's not wrong, but it sounds too mechanical. There's no personality in it. You're not showing who you are, just facts.
So it's like giving Google results about myself.
Exactly. Instead, we want a story, not a list. Let me show you what a more natural one sounds like. I'm Sara, I'm from Izmir, and I've always loved languages. Right now, I teach English online and host this podcast. When I'm not teaching, I'm usually at a cafe, journaling, or walking by the sea. I believe learning a language should feel like discovering a new world.
Whoa, that sounds real. It's short but full of life.
Yes, because it's not just information, it's emotion. It shows what I do and who I am. Let's help our listeners build their own version step by step. Here's a simple structure anyone can use. 1. Who you are. Name. Where you're from. 2. What you do. Job, study, or passion. 3. What you enjoy. Hobbies, interests, or goals. 4. Something personal or unique. A belief, dream, or fun fact.
Okay, let me try. I'm Emre. I'm from Ankara. I work as a software engineer, and I love building things that make life easier. When I'm not coding, I'm probably playing guitar or watching documentaries. I'm also trying to improve my English because I want to work abroad someday.
That's really good. You showed your background, interests, and goals, and it sounds natural.
Yeah, it actually feels like a conversation, not an exam.
Exactly, that's what English should feel like. Let's talk about some common mistakes people make when they answer, "Tell me about yourself." Speaking like a robot, saying too much unnecessary detail, using complicated grammar or memorized sentences.
So, short and natural wins over long and fancy.
Absolutely, fluency is about connection, not perfection. If you want to sound more confident, here's what you can do. Record yourself introducing yourself in English. Listen again and note what sounds unnatural. Try saying it again. Simpler, smoother, more confident.
Like training your speaking muscle.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes, and you can update it as your life changes.
I like that. My self-introduction grows as I grow.
That's the spirit. So, everyone listening, take 5 minutes today. Write your short, tell me about yourself. Make it real. Make it you.
And don't forget smile while you speak.
Yes, smiling is part of communication. Thanks for listening to All English Podcast. If you liked this episode, subscribe and share it with a friend.
See you next time, and remember, your story is the best English lesson you can tell.